Hello, my name is Michael Escocarleza, and today I'll be showing you my Flask Arduino GUI. This is a web app which allows me to control an Arduino fitted with an LED and a temperature sensor, and to control the LED as well as display the temperature values all through my website. Firstly, as you may see, it is possible to see the temperature readings in real time. It is noted, however, that the temperature sensor built on the circuit and the whole hardware setup doesn't provide the most stable readings. However, it does display the updating of temperature in real time. Next, it is possible to turn on the LED by pressing this button, as you may see. It is also possible to turn it off, as you've just seen. It is possible to set the LED to blink at 1 second on and off, as you see here. This repeats 5 times. However, if you choose to make it blink for longer, such as for 2 seconds between each blink, it is possible to input the value here. As you can see, the blinks are of a longer duration. And once the blinks are complete, a message will be displayed. A flash message says that the valid blink duration was set to 2 seconds per blink. This can be closed as well. However, if ever an invalid blink value is added, such as a value less than 1 second, greater than 5 seconds, or entering a letter or symbol, which are also invalid values, then a default duration will be set to 1 second. As you may see, 1 second per blink. And a flash message is returned saying that the invalid blink duration was set to 1 second per blink. All while this is happening, the temperature readings are being read. The temperature readings are still read even after the LED is turned on, as you may see here. Turned off, and while it's blinking, there are some strange values, as you may see here, but that is due to the instability of the readings and of the circuit. It is possible to stop the temperature from being read, as you may see here, as well as to restart the temperature. And if ever the LED is set on and the temperature is stopped from being read, the LED remains on, and if the temperature is restarted, the LED still remains on. Same with the LED is turned off and the temperature is stopped and restarted. Lastly, I have an About Me page. My name is Michael Escocarleza. I'm a 4th year computer engineering student in Concordia University. I very much like working in software development, but I also enjoy tinkering with some hardware, such as this little task, and I've also built an RC hovercraft and a smart dog collar tracker with an Android application. These projects were a mix of both software and hardware, which were very fun to me, and I think that by joining Space Concordia in the robotics division, I'd be learning and doing more of these cool tasks. Thank you, and I hope to get to know you all.